don't know what to say. This place is surreal.
I feel like I'm on a completely different planet.
I love it. It's beautiful.
It actually looks a bit like Scotland.
And I have to keep reminding myself that I'm in Pakistan.
The beauty up here is just amazing once you get up into the rolling plains.
Everybody now wave at us from everywhere. It's wonderful, just so friendly.
After the sunset, you could just see all of these amazing stars. I mean, the Milky Way. I mean, I had never seen so many stars in all my life.
The people remain the most important part of this trip.
I realized the best way to have access to the women here is to bring a group of women here.
We knew that there would be cultural music and that Mahmoud was going to dance, but I didn't know we would get to learn how to dance as well.
I can say all of those words and you can't feel it until you actually go there.